Crude oil today, after hitting the highs towards 64.4 yesterday, we have seen a slight dip here. It has come back towards the next support zone at 63.6. Can we expect oil to slide all the way towards 63, the critical support? Yes, few hours back we have discussed why oil might take or trade with slight bearishness. And yes, we also have the inventory data today for crude oil. This might reverse the trend as well. This is also possible. While it is natural gas which is consistently traded bullish, hit the highs at 3.34. So what to expect now from oil and gas with the US session? Where to enter, where to exit, how to profit, we are going to see here with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day, and this is the only channel to deliver twice a day updates such that you can profit across Asia, Europe, and US sessions. Subscribe, press the bell icon to get the notifications. Do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first to look into oil, followed with gas. Watch till the end. First, oil on the early charts. Yes, it was trading slightly overbought, and see what we are seeing here is rise, and you can see this a slight retracement, then bigger rise. So it might come back towards the bottom of this. First support is here at 63 60 63 40 zone, and as we have discussed, 63 60 63 30 and 63, these are the three support levels oil has to breach here. If at all oil trades below 63, that's the confirmation of a complete reversal, else it is still not trading bearish, it is just a retracement. Now very important, you can see the resistance it has got here at around 64.20 64.40, which is very strong, and hence any reversal confirmation in oil is only and only if it trades beyond 64.20 64.40 zone. Now see, after the dip it is just staying in the zone. I will wait if at all it tries to trade beyond 64.20 in order to confirm bullishness. Stochastic at bottom, the MACD crossed over trading with divergence. This is what we had seen earlier in the day, that this is seen the top, possibly this could retrace. RSI looking downwards, which is again a slight bearish sign. Look at 2-hour chart. On the 2-hour chart, similar observation, the price retrace here. It is seen taking support from 20 period. Very crucial for oil to trade below 63 and then 62.3, 62.5 zone. If at all these two levels are taken, it is going to post a massive drop here. Right now, I do treat this as a retracement, not a complete reversal. The moving averages since the crossover are still staying bullish here. If you see the stochastic, this is come towards the bottom. Look at the MACD hitting the highs. This is just crossed over. And see on the 2-hour charts, if you look at the rise, the retracement, the rise, this could be the beginning of the next red, you can say bearish move here. Yes, it has crossed over. It might trade bearish from here. RSI has dropped. Coming to 3-hour, similarly on the 3-hour chart, since the crossover here, moving averages, you can see we have seen a good bullish move here. Also now the support here till 63 is pretty strong. First is the possibility for oil to move towards 63 is high here, and once it trades below 63 is where you can expect slight bearishness. But only reversal confirmation is if you see it staying below 62.3 62.5 zone. Stochastic at the bottom, the MACD is now on the verge of a crossover. It is not yet crossed over. It is not that it cannot achieve further highs, but right now it is struggling here on the upside. RSI looking downwards, which is again a slight bearish sign here. Coming to 4-hour chart, on the 4-hour chart, similar observation. Notice every rise offsets with a little drop, every rise offsets with a little drop here. And now it is pretty important. See this, the crossover here and the support here till 63. Very crucial, very strong. Though you can take a sell at 63.6, but I will say 63.3 and 63. These are the two levels which all need to trade below, and then the most important one is that 62.5 62.3. If at all you see any drop below 62.5 62.3, that's the beginning of reversal. Else you can see oil is still trading bullish here, forming the double bottom. It is still looking upwards, and hence there is not much of bullishness still left here. Stochastic has dropped, the MACD trying to converge crossover for sell. The RSI has seen a dip here. Coming to daily, on the daily charts, one thing which we have seen here, drop, retracement, bigger drop, then retracement. See, after this drop we have seen 3 to 4 green candles. Again a bigger slide has appeared. Now 3 to 4 green candle, it might replicate the trend here, but I'll definitely watch out with caution, because see, preceding three candles, big increasing body size with higher lows. It is pretty important for oil to trade below 62.5 62.3, else it is yet not bearish, and it can give you a stronger breakout as well. So now what you have to wait, for 64.2 and 64.4. In fact, what I do see is that even if it tries to move towards 63 or lower levels, the chances of pullback will be higher from here. This could post a complete reversal here, but let's wait for it to take a direction. As things are getting slightly overbought, it might try to stay in zone. Stochastic rising, the MACD divergent and bullish, RSI flat. So daily MACD is still having lot much of room here and it is still showing signs of bullishness. So now considering this, time for me to give you the trading levels. And before I give you the trading levels, if you're willing to learn this art of trading, be a part of my mentorship batch. 34th batch commenced this week itself. The benefits of joining the current batch also are there. You can retake any of the next three batches live. Yes, if you want to repeat, if you have missed any session, you can retake. You'll also get the recordings, and yes, you can be part of the Signals channel. Not Signals channel, Students Alumni channel, where you get the handholding for all your trading decisions. Else, you can be part of my Telegram's paid Signals channel. Connect with me, write an email, ping me or Telegram for your queries related to the services. Those looking forward to just uh, a trusted partner which offers you a swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe. You can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now, with that, where you should buy? See, ideally, we have to wait for 64.2, 64.4 zone to be taken. You can buy here at 64.2, expect 64.5 first target. Beyond this, you can expect 65.1, 65.2 as the next target. And if this is taken, then stay bullish for 65.8, 66 today itself. Possibilities, and the data could be the trigger, the inventory data could be the trigger here, and it could be the trigger for a greater down move here, because see, things were slightly overbought and it might try to erase some of the gains here. So now if you see it is staying below 63.6, you can take a sell, expect 63.3 and then 63. Below 63 is where you can expect slight bearishness, 62.75 and then 62.4, 62.3. Till here, till 62.4, 62.3 is not taken. Remember, oil can bounce back any point of time, but yes, if it trades below this, that's the beginning of reversal here. You can expect 61.1, 61.8, 61.5, and then direct landing towards 60 very very soon, if not today. Trade accordingly. Let's move to natural gas. See, natural gas has seen a very beautiful support at 3.3, 3.28 zone earlier in the day. I have mentioned it is going to remain the key support. What has happened? We have seen a good rise here, and now it is on the verge of a breakout. So now, if you see net gas above 3.34, 3.35, you can stay bullish for 3.4 levels possibly. It has seen a very good support from 20 period, trying to diverge again. 3.35, 3.36, and 3.4 are the targets which it would like to achieve here. Stochastic rising, MACD since the retracement trying to converge crossover. Wait for it to cross over and then confirm a reversal here. RSI is rising, supportive for further bullishness. Coming to 2 hour, see on the 2 hour charts, it has posted a reversal. We have seen slight retracement and again posting a reversal. A rise is seen here. Pretty important for net gas to trade beyond 3.34, 3.36 now, which will confirm the next move towards 3.4. And beyond 3.4, we will see 3.5, 3.6 very, very soon. It is seen taking support here at 3.28, which is going to remain a prime support here. Stochastic rising, MACD has seen a good rise, and here it is tried to cross over, failing to do so. It is still staying bullish here. RSI back to overbought zone. Coming to 3 hour, similar observation here on the 3 hour chart. Slight retracement again, a breakout. If you see it is staying beyond 3.34, 3.36 zone, stay bullish for 3.4, and in fact we will see 3.5 as well very very soon. Moving averages have crossed over. This is a good sign for the bulls here. Only worry point is the indicators, specifically MACD. Stochastic overbought. MACD has seen a good rise, and it is see, we've seen on the smaller time frames MACD hitting the highs here, but on the 3 hour charts it has lot much of room available on the upside. RSI getting overbought. Coming to 4 hour, on the 4 hour charts, the 5 period moving average offering it a very very good support here. It is trying to move upwards, staying beyond 3.34, 3.36. We can look forward to a good rise. The moving averages are trading with divergence, staying bullish here. Stochastic overbought, MACD rising, RSI rising here. Lot much of room is still available on the upside. Coming to the daily, we have discussed this several times. Drop, sideways movement, retracement, drop, sideways movement, retracement. Now also notice it has come out of this bearish channel. So this is looking upwards, and this confirms that there could be the next move which is going to take it all the way towards 3.36, 3.8 zone. Now 3.6, 3.8 zone. So now it is trying to deliver a breakout, and now I'll wait for 3.34, 3.36 zone to be taken. See, moving averages are on the verge of a crossover, which is a very very good sign for the bulls. Stochastic rising, MACD is still rising, RSI rising. So considering this, what I'll recommend, you can buy here at 3.34 itself. Expect 3.36, or rather this zone is very very crucial for net gas. Beyond this, expect $4 $3.4 zone, and once it trades beyond 3.4, ideally the targets are towards 3.5 and 3.6. Possibly with the inventory data it might hit this zone, but you have to stay little cautious, because see, it is going to get slightly overbought once it tries to move towards 3.6 on a smaller time frame. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at $3 zone, $3.3 zone, expect 3.275, then 3.25, 3.23. If at all net gas trades below this, stay short for 3.2. And if at all net gas trades below 3.2, that's the beginning of a possible reversal. But I'll say till 3.1415 is not taken, do not treat natural gas as bearish for the day. Below this, stay short for 3.1, 3.07 prime support levels. Chances for such a good drop appears less, at least today. Take your trades and positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel, reach out to me for your queries, join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again tomorrow with the Asian Europe session with more updates. Watch that as well. Thank you.